is Amberly, and I'm the CEO of Visual Country. We're a video production studio based out of New York City. I'm really excited to be partnering with Adobe Stock to bring to life a new video for their series, Make It Happen. We're going to be creating a 15-second stop-motion video featuring our very own character, Benny. We're going to walk you through our entire creative process from conception to creating all of the miniature props and tiny little food for the Benny character. We're also going to walk you through our shooting process and how we're finding the best Adobe Stock footage to bring it all to life. Click on the link in the description to watch the full video, and thanks for watching.